Missy here, design team member with Stamp Anything. Welcome to day one of our May release. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. You guys, May's release is so good. You could almost say that it's mermazing. I know, I'm a dork, just go with it. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you day one previews. So if you're new to us, every month we have a themed release, and in that release we have 3 chibi characters with their outline dies. We do a stencil, a word die, and a builder die. Now, you can get all or part of that, it's completely up to you. But if you're interested in this month's release, don't forget to sign up for Stamp Club, and that is a way to get all or part of this month's release at a discount, plus discounts in the store, discounts on other bundles, blah, 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 blah. All of the information is linked in the description box down below, and I will talk about it more as I share with you today's products. So if you're new to these videos, these videos are just a way to share with you the release, all of the products in the release, plus all of the design team projects, and they are fantastic. But even with this video, I encourage you to join our Facebook group. It's a place where you can get inspiration, but it's also a place where you can show off your own work, and we love that. So without further ado, let's head over to the craft table, and I'm going to share with you day one of our May release. All right, friends, let me introduce you to the May release. You could say that it's mermazing. So, per usual, I am going to share with you the first day's previews, and beside me, you will see all of the design team samples. Per usual, everything is listed in the description box down below. And again, don't forget Stamp Club if you're interested in getting any and all of this release. This release is amazing, and you're going to want all of it. So let us start with the stencil, and I'm just using this piece of paper so you can see it. This is the Sunken Ship stencil. So you have your like ocean floor, you have a side that will do waves, got like a stingray, you got some plants, and then you have a sunken ship. So you can use this to create really fun scenes for this month's chibi characters. Next, we have our word builder die, and that is Enchanting. So you have it in 2 different font sizes. So you have a larger one, and then you have this smaller one, and this fits the smaller one. So if you want a kind of outline behind it, then this is your font. For the builder die, we have a bubble card mat die. So it's cut out in the middle with bubbles surrounding it, and this looks like it'll cut out a full-size card. Do I have... This is a 4 by 5 1/4. Yeah, so this is going to cut it out 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it will go on the entirety of a card front, a 2-sides card front. And then last but not least, we have Adela. I think it's either Adelia or Adela. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. And she wants to be part of your world. So it's glad to be part of your world. And I love her hair. I love the way, I believe Kevin is the one that colors these. Maybe it's Steven. I love the way they digitally colored her. I think she's going to be so fantastic. And then of course we have her coordinating outline die. So I'm going to put this down again just so you can see. So we have the Sunken Ship stencil. We have the Enchanting word die. We have the bubble card mat die. And then we have Adela or Adelia. Glad to be part of your world. So this is day one, and as I mentioned, if you're interested in any or part of this release, be sure to check out Stamp Club. It is open internationally. All the information is linked down below. If you haven't already, I encourage you to join the Facebook group where you will find even more inspiration, and we encourage our Fanies to post your own inspiration. So anyway, that is it for today, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.